All right, welcome back. Joining us virtually this afternoon, we have Dr. Rebecca Current. Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Of course, thanks for having me.
So Our Lady of Lourdes is having a back-to-school COVID-19 vaccine clinic this week for kids 12 and older. Can you go ahead and tell us some of the details about this clinic that you guys are hosting?
Absolutely. So in addition to the regular vaccine clinic that we run, which is on Tuesdays and Thursdays, this Saturday we have a clinic from 10 to 2 at our clinic at the Kids Specialty Center on 4704 Ambassador. And our big focus is on trying to make sure that we're getting anyone eligible, so age 12 and up, vaccinated before the school year starts. Because remember, it actually takes at least 5 weeks from the day you get your first shot until the day you consider yourself to be fully vaccinated. So if you want to be fully vaccinated before school starts, now is the time to do it. And we'll accept anyone, whether you're going back to school or whether it's just time to get your COVID vaccine. We'll accept anyone at that clinic this Saturday.
Absolutely. And do you guys recommend that people sign up in advance?
We do. We would certainly like to have a rough idea of how many people are coming, but if you walk in and you're eligible, we will still find a way to get you a vaccine.
I love that. And then what are the times really quickly for this clinic?
Yes, so the times will be Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. If you sign up online, you'll be able to see the available slots. You can do that by going to lourdesrmc.com, or you can call it 337-470-GO-MD. But again, if you walk in and you're eligible, we will find a way to get you a vaccine. We have plenty of extra.
Wonderful. And so we were talking a little bit during the break. So this clinic's for children 12 and older. If there's a parent at home right now that's watching this and they're on the fence about whether they want their child to get the COVID-19 vaccine, what would you want to say to them?
I would say do it. And I think it's absolutely fair for people to have questions. I think all any parent wants is to keep their child safe. And what we're trying to do is keep our kids safe from COVID and keep them back in school. This vaccine has been studied extremely well in anyone age 12 and over. We had a whole lot of data before it was even authorized for use. And then now we've had over 1 billion shots that have been given across the globe. And we've seen that the vaccine is very safe and effective. And so this really is the best tool that we have to keep our kids from getting COVID, to keep our kids from spreading COVID to other people that they care about, and also to keep our kids from having to quarantine and miss even more school. That's the thing we want to avoid, and the shot is one of our best tools to keep our kids safe and get their lives back to normal after everything we've all been through in the last year and a half.
Absolutely. And then really quick before we go, it's only for 12 and older. And you were talking about this during the break. It's not available for those younger kids because it hasn't really been studied that much yet.
Not yet. And those studies are coming. We're actually hoping to have data on ages 2 and up within the next couple of months. But we want to make sure that we can feel confident that this vaccine is safe and effective in any age group before we recommend it. So stay tuned. I hope that data is coming, but until then, 12 and up are the folks who are eligible right now.
Wonderful. Well, Dr. Curran, thank you so much for joining us virtually today to talk about this back-to-school COVID-19 vaccine clinic.
No, of course. Thank you.
If you at home want to learn more, head to our website, klaf.com. We'll post the times for the clinic and how you can register there, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this break.